This is just a sample of the audiobook. To get the complete audiobook, access the link posted in the first comment.
Students to be in control of their own actions in a consistent classroom environment. Effective teachers teach classroom management procedures that create consistency. Their classrooms are caring, thought-provoking, challenging, and academically successful. A well-managed classroom is the foundation for learning in the classroom. Therefore, Unit C in this book may be the most important for you to read and implement as you start the first days of school. Effective teachers have lesson plans and procedures that produce student learning. Unit D in this book will walk you through how to get your students to achieve. Hand in the work. At a school in an at-risk community, truly these students are at promise, a student said, "I like coming to this school because everyone knows what to do. No one yells at us and we can get on with learning." The student is not talking about behavior, which is addressed in Chapter 18. The student is talking about doing, or getting things done, as explained in Chapters 19 and 20. Summarizing the importance of doing, a 7th grade student said, "I have figured out how to succeed in school. Hand in the work." Learning takes place when students get things done. Effective teachers script their first day of school. A coach scripts the first 10 to 20 plays of a football game. A wedding coordinator has a plan or agenda for the sequence of events at a wedding. Likewise, an effective teacher is ready with a script or classroom management plan on the first day of school. Going beyond. The term lagniappe, meaning something extra, is used in Louisiana and Mississippi. It began as a little bonus that a shopkeeper might add to a purchase, such as an extra donut, as in a baker's dozen, something for the road, or a complimentary dessert. Today it has become synonymous with the little extra things people do for each other. You can go to effectiveteaching.com and click to access the Going Beyond or Go Be folders that are correlated to each chapter in the book. These little extras will change as current information and research appear. As you revisit this book each year in preparation for the new school year, check the folders on the website for the latest resources. Diana Greenhouse, a teacher in Texas, says, "What an incredible first year of teaching this has been. When I look back at all I accomplished, it takes my breath away. My students learned, and I loved every minute of teaching. And it all started with that very first minute of the first day. I started the school with a PowerPoint presentation of my classroom management plan." Kazim Chichek, a teacher in Oklahoma, says he spent his first 3 years in the profession as a warrior. The students fought him and he fought them. Then, 4 days before the start of his 4th year, one that he did not want to start, he heard Harry Wong speak at a preschool meeting and had a light bulb moment. Over a long weekend, he created a PowerPoint presentation of his classroom management plan. At the end of his 4th year, he said, "The wish I wished my students was also given to me. I, too, had a wonderful year." Today, he is a very happy and successful teacher. Teachers.net. The work of Diana Greenhouse and Kazim Chichek first appeared on the website Teachers.net. Since June 2000, we have contributed to a monthly column featured on Teachers.net. We have highlighted examples from teachers who have shared with us their successful implementations of the first days of school. The profiles encompass elementary, high school, and special ed teachers and cover the range from English, science, technology, and fine arts instructors to librarians. College professors have been featured. There's even a teacher's first day of school script in Spanish. A cumulative short summary of all past columns can be found in each June column. By all means, beg, borrow, and steal from these teachers. Use their ideas to create your own successful classroom.